All right, folks, I got a 2013 Ford Escape. I got a check engine light came on. I checked the codes, and the codes were evaporation system leak. So one of the things to check is your evaporator purge solenoid valve, and that valve is actually a series of lines. If you follow this hose around back here, you'll get to the purge valve. So to change it out, you actually have to change out this spider web of things, and you'll have to remove the cowl and remove the air plenum, the air intake plenum, and I think there's about 4 or 5 connections that you're going to have to replace to do that. But folks, there's a much easier potential fix. It has to do with the gas cap, and actually there isn't a gas cap. The Ford came up with this easy fuel seal, and so make sure you clean this out really good. Put a funnel in there and cycle it. There's actually 2 seals. Cycle it through there, and then I'm using some carburetor choke cleaner, and I spray around the sides of the funnel and just cycle it. In this case, there's a little rubber seal O-ring that was around this door, and that wasn't quite seated on there properly, so I had to seat that in there, and that fixed the problem. The codes that I was getting were P144C and P0455.